wave them high. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue.
Hi everyone, welcome to Red Elephant Art Club. We're excited. I've got Abigail here with me today, going to help me with my project. Today, the book that's inspired us for this art project, I don't have. It's called The Winter's Dance, and I think I gave them all to the school already, and maybe even to Barbie. So, but that's the book we're going to use this week for inspiration, and it's about a fox. It's going through the forest and looking at all the winter wonders, okay? And so the art project we're going to do is a folk art, and it's going to be really fun. And only thing you guys going to need is a black Sharpie and a colored marker. They can use any colored marker they want. I just chose to use red. Abigail chose red as well, but any color will work. So a black marker, Sharpie, and a marker, and that's all you need besides paper, of course. Okay, so we're just going to get started. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, is everybody ready? Okay, we have our paper. We're going to start off by using our black marker, and we're going to draw a large V right here near the top, and we're going to go start about right here, and we're going to go to about right there. You can put a dot there so you kind of know where you're going to, it's a wide V. Oh, you know what? Let's see, am I going to have enough room? I think so, about right there. Okay. All right, so just have the kids, maybe you can help put the dots down for them so they kind of know what to do. It's important to have, this is the fox's head. Like that. Okay. And then at the top, you're going to make a curved line. So just like this, and make it kind of round, go like this. All right. Okay. Now the next step is to draw a line, and we're going to start about right there, and you're going to go make a straight line down towards the bottom. Put a dot right there, and just go from here to here, straight down. All right, there we go. This is going to be a fox that's laying down or sitting down. Okay, now we're going to make a curved line from here, and we're going to go all the way about here, because right here is going to be its tail. So we're going to make it about right here, even with this one, over to here. Okay, and it's going to be a curved line, just like that. All right. And then we're going to join these two together. So from here to here. Like that. Okay. Okay, and that's the fox's body. Let's draw his tail now. Now his tail is going to go from here, and we're going to make it kind of curve around just like this. So from here to here. Like that. Okay. And then we're going to do it from the other side, and we're going to go right to here near the bottom. There's his tail. Okay, and then let's just kind of, at the top here, we can make some ziggly lines like this. Okay, all right, there you go. Okay, so now we're going to make his ears. His ears are going to go from here to here to here. So just an upside down V, like that. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side, but from here to here to here. Okay, like that. Okay, and then make another one inside this one. There you go, like that. Okay, now let's make his nose. And his nose is here at the bottom, so just make a small curve like this, and then you can color it in with the black marker. Okay, there we go. Okay. Then start here in the middle of the little triangle inside, and I want you to draw a line from here right to here, and it's kind of curved like that. And then you do the same thing on the other side, joining the two lines together. And then for his eyes, we're just going to make a little curve like this, like he's sleeping. Okay, now from right here his nose, you're going to go straight down, and about from right here, go make a straight line. This is his legs. All right. And then on the other side here, go about, I don't know, 2 or 3 fingers away. Go from here. You're going to make his foot like that. And then you're going to make his leg like this. There we are. Now this is a folk art drawing. So we're going to draw some fun designs on our fox. And anyway, I will let you get caught up with this. I'm going to turn this off for a second and we'll be right back, okay? Okay, everybody. Now, here are some designs that we can use. And all the teachers, Carrie and Natalie and Paula and Tiff, if you guys see this, this is the designs. And the kids can use any of these designs or some of their own. But these are typical folk art designs. And you can have them, you can show them all these pictures and stuff to help them get ideas of how they want to decorate their fox. All right. So I'm going to give this to Abigail so she can look at it. And I'm just going to go ahead and get started. And I'm going to start decorating my fox, okay? And it can be any way you want, so you don't have to do exactly like I'm doing, but I'm just going to go ahead and get started and decorating mine. And then maybe me doing it, you can kind of see. I'm going to put a flower there, and then I think I'm going to put a few dots going across. And then I think I'll draw. But no, there's no right or wrong way to do this, really. So I just would let kids design it any way they want to. All right. Yeah, I'm anxious to see how everyone is doing. I'm anxious to see how Abigail is doing too. Oh, she's putting some really fun things on hers. Wait till you see it. She's going to have it really fun. Okay, let's see. I'm going to put... Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this on pause again, and I'll go ahead and finish mine. And you kids just keep working on yours, all right? And I'll be right back. Hey, everyone. Okay, after the children have designed all the designs they want on the fox, you can give them a marker. Like I said, I chose a red marker, but it can be any color that they like. Then they just start coloring it in, and some places are going to be white. I'm going to leave this white, and some you might want to color in with a dark marker, but everything else will be colored in with marker. Okay, so just, they can kind of go right over the top of the black. It won't even, it will bleed, the black will bleed right through. Oops, I kind of messed up there. Okay. But anyway, just have them color it in. Okay. It might be a good idea to show them some examples so they can kind of get some ideas of how to do it. All right. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and just color a little bit of this so you kind of get an idea of what I'm doing. You notice I didn't try to go around the black marker. I just went right over the top of it. I wish I wouldn't have messed up right there. Darn it. I don't know if I can fix it or not. I'm going to try. There. Maybe that won't show up as much. There we go. All right. Hey, how you doing, Abigail? Good. Okay. Oh, I like yours. That's fun. Okay, so now these ones here, I'm going to leave white inside. So I'm just going to kind of go around each one of them so I can be sure not to go inside. Everything that I want to be white, I think I'll go around like this. That way it makes it easier not to touch it. when I, like that. That might be a good way for the kids too. Just have them outline the things they want to have white. Like that. See how I did that, Abigail? Like this, and then when you color, it'll be easier. All right, everyone. Okay, I will be back in a few minutes. See you back in a sec. Okay, everyone, I wanted to show you how I did this. You might have the children outline their whole image first, everything that they want to stay white. I want to keep this white, so I'm going to put outline the marker right here so it's easier to color it in without worrying about going inside that. And so everything that I want it white, like this, I'm outlining, okay? Then now I just have to color it all in, okay? Make it easier when I color. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Hey everybody, I'm back. Okay, I finished coloring mine, and there's a couple of things I'd noticed. You've got to make sure that you have a good marker, that it's almost a new one, because it took a lot of ink from my marker to color the whole thing. And so you don't want to be halfway done and have your marker run out of ink, okay? So you can either, if you have a brand new one for each one of the children, that would work. Or you can maybe choose just to do half of the page and draw it smaller, because it might take them a long time to color it in. Abigail's working on hers. I want to show you. She put some really fun designs on hers. Look at that. It's upside down, but you can kind of see it. She's working on hers, and she's using orange. That'd be fun for a fox, an orange fox, huh? That'd be cool. But some kids will put a lot of designs on their paper, and some will probably only put a little bit. So it just kind of, I guess it doesn't matter. I'm going to try to get that straight. Okay, so everyone, please make sure that you give us a thumbs up and make a comment down below and subscribe. I hope to see everyone's paintings or drawings. I want to get pictures and put them on our Etsy site. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.